Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a checklist items and a few more things as well. Alright, so the very first thing that you have to do is to open some help desk ticket, and currently into this ticket we do not have any checklists. Okay, so we edit this ticket or Redmine issue. And here, the first way to add a checklist item is via the predefined checklist templates. There is, by the way, another article and video demonstration for the templates. However, if you like, you could check it additionally. So here you have to just hover the mouse over this green plus button here, and now from template you hover the mouse here and then select the template that you wish. In our current case it is only one. Okay, so it is automatically added, a long checklist with a lot of checklist items. You can check and uncheck them directly here onto the checklist, by the way. Okay, so the second method to do this is via adding manually. So it is right on the current time and the current moment, and it is not included into the templates. You just create it now at the moment. So it could be, for example, test checklist item 1. Okay. If you try to add some checklist item that has the same name, it will warn you with a red, and it could prevent you adding it, so it is not possible. You have to set other name, for example, test checklist item 2. Okay, and into the same way you could check or uncheck the items as well. Okay, so the next thing that I would like to show you is how to edit a checklist item. So yeah, again you have to open the ticket and edit the ticket again, and now you have to just click onto the item here. So now we could change it design until you love it. Save. Okay, here you we click on it. Sorry about it. And now okay, get to attach, or you could completely change it, by the way. You could be completely changing the item. Okay, and also the manual added items are edited in the same way. So it could be checklist item number 155. Alright. So now I would like to show you how to delete a checklist item. So it could be done via the recycle bin icon here onto the right of a checklist item. So we can delete either unchecked checklist item or checked checklist item. So I'm going to show you now. This is a checked item, so I just delete it. And this is unchecked item, and I just click on the recycle bin and it is automatically and instantly deleted. So I could also delete this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and so on. Okay. Also I would like to say that you are able to rearrange the checklist. So it could be done via just drag and drop the checklist item. For example, we grab this item and just drop it at the bottom. Okay, so we drag this manually created item and just move it onto the top. Right, and at last we check this and move it, for example, here. Okay, so finally we save our changes. And here it is, our checklist item. Okay, All right, so the very last thing that I would like to show you is that if you have the Agile plugin from RedmineUP installed, then you could have the checklist directly onto the Agile board. So it could be done via extending these options here and then enable the checklist, so it could be visible onto the Agile cards. So we apply it and we see the checklist items on the Agile cards on the board. I recommend you, if you use this functionality very often, you could save the Agile board so you could access it instantly into the future. So there is no need to anytime enable it for the board, and you just click onto the right. I'm going to show you now. So we save this board and we name it, for example, Agile Checklists Included. Agile board checklists included. So it could be, these settings are up to you. We could make it to any users for projects. Alright, so we save. And if we clear the board or go somewhere else and then return back to the Agile board, so the predefined pre-selected board is vanished, and now you have to just see here onto the right Agile boards and Agile board checklists included. So just click here and you got the checklists onto the Agile board. So the thing that I wanted to say is that you could here just check or unchecked items directly onto the Agile board. This is very convenient. These were the features of adding, editing, deleting, and using the checklist items onto the Agile board, features and functionalities. And I hope this video was helpful and good for you. And if you like it, you could check others, videos and articles from RedmineUP onto our site and on our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or problems, please feel free to contact us at support@redmineup.com. So we will help you solve your problems. Thank you very much again for watching this video, and bye bye for now.